So we started the process of easing of communications. And in the morning, I had informed you that 17 exchanges throughout the Kashmir Valley had been made functional, resulting in functionality of landline communication. So as we speak, the authorities are on the job of releasing further telephone connections. And by end of day today, we hope that nearly 23,000 landline connections across Kashmir Valley will be made functional. There were relaxations in prohibitory orders in 35 police stations across the Kashmir Valley, including North Kashmir, Central Kashmir, South Kashmir, and this resulted in a number of people coming out on the roads, traffic plying, public transport plying, men and material being moved, and a lot of movement. We expect that areas and regions in which prohibitory orders were relaxed today will also see relaxations tomorrow. While there have been no reported incidents in areas where relaxations were given, there have been 6 to 7 incidents of some disturbances, largely in areas in which relaxations were not given.
डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे सारे डीसी ने उनके साथ एक मीटिंग की है और आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हैं कि कितने स्कूल्स जो हैं जो रिलैक्स्ड एरियाज़ में वो खोलेंगे प्राइमरी लेवल के, और जो स्कूल्स खोलने हैं उसके लिए भी हमने पूरा एक प्लान बना के रखा हुआ है. मुझे उम्मीद है इस सोमवार को, मंडे को, जो हमारा स्कूल ओपनिंग का प्रोग्राम है, दैट विल गो ऑफ वेरी वेल, और ग्रेजुअली विल बी हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स नॉर्मलसी. थैंक यू वेरी मच.